First top headlines, Minister El Susindro's godown to burn down by mob. Yesterday's incident was very unfortunate, a big communication gap, says Minister Susindro. BJP MLA S. Rajan accuses Assam Rifles of adding Kuki militants. The last rites of 9 martyrs of Khamenlok incident held. And curfew relaxed for Imphal Listener West till 6 p.m. today, Bishnupur District 5 p.m. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. I'm your host, Timita Hanjabam. Now the news in detail. Irate mob burned down the godown cum farmhouse of Minister El Susindro located at Kangla Sangomsang last night around 10 p.m. The reason for burning the godown is yet to be clarified. However, Manipur Fire Service came in time and dosed the fire in. How many properties have been damaged in the fire is yet to be established. On the other hand, some miscreant also tried to burn the minister's house located at Tinsid Road, Kurai Sajor Likai. Combined force fired tear gas shells and a mock bomb to disperse the miscreants. In the meanwhile, MLA Susindro has said that the last night incident of burning farmhouse, Mandal office and a pipes for sewage project was very unfortunate. He said this during a press meet held at his residence at Kurai Sajor Lekai. MLA of Lamlai AC T.H. Ibomcha also attended the press meet. The minister further said being an elected representative, serving for people is our duty. However, due to miscommunication, yesterday's incident was taken place. In the near future, we can sit, talk and resolve the issue on a good way, the minister added.
Mathang mai tharak padagi akoi gi inaw sing amagi mamingda leiba akoi gi aina hana rajniti da lakchingai da rajniti torotringai da politics torotringai da aina thamakpa akoi gi kana machinery khara haitare adusu mu mai thadok pirame adui matungda PhD department gi handakta kui digidre haitare PhD department gi contractor sing na phangraba akoi gi serious development haipta serious ki second phase ki adumwa pipe kaya ama leiraga around 120 crore muki pipe leiraga thamba akoi gi kendra gi manungda akoina low pariyama gumagi chang aduga mapam amada pariyamu chang se low contractor sing se asuna kanda thambam se leitabadagi adamaina akoina rental da low sing labuk sing da thamba adum property ama department gi property ama around 120 crore muki pipe sing se hujiki hairiba nupa macha sing kharana somba mo pamba angang sing kharana ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ MLA ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯝꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ MLA ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ MLA ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕꯩꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ.
On the other hand, MLA of Lamlai ACTH Bomsa said the elected representatives are working with heart and soul to bring about peace and harmony in the state. However, due to some communication gap, the unwanted incidents are being taken place. This is very unfortunate. We need a leader to guide the present issue, otherwise such miscommunications might be taken place. Therefore, we all are needed to leave alert, the MLA said.
अखोई मणिपुर ने फेस तौरीबा सिगुम्बा फिल्म से अराइबा फिल्म नते मीगी दी सही इसांग अमा प्लान तौरगा फजना थौरांग तौरगा तौरकपा पोल अमनी एवरीथिंग मोइदी यामना प्लान मैनर दा हाइदा यामना वेल ऑर्गेनाइज ओइबा मोंग अमदा थबक तौए अर मोइना हुजिक पामिसी मोइना सु अखोई थक लानताबा से अखोईगी एंगबा हाइतारे कुकी मिलिटेंट सिंग सुगी मखादा लेबा इलीगल माइग्रेंट सिंग इवन माइग्रेंट सिंग तुगी मनुंगदसु अयामना ट्रेन तौवा लांदा ही सिंग अखोई मिलिटेंट गुंबसु मयाम अमा यावेना पानरी अदगे अखोई लुंग्री सेटपा सिंग बावस यावरे हाइबसी लैरमने सिगुम्बा प्लान मैनर अमा तौरकपनि अदुना मोइना हुजिक तौरिसे अरानबसु मोइन तौबा अदुगा अरानबसिना मैतै सिंगना नि हाइबसी थंजलगा अखोईगी गवर्नमेंट गासी लोइसल मतुंगदा मोइगी अपाम्बा दुदा टारगेट तौरगा संगसिलाइबा पोल अमने अदुना सी फेस तौबसे अइना खंजबददी अखोई मणिपुरदा लैरिबा अखोई मैतै हाइतारे अखोई मयामसे अखोई डिफरेंट वर्क्स ऑफ लाइफ ता लैबा अरु मयामसिगी अपेनबा पेनदबा नुंगाइबा नुंगाइतबा पुनुमकसे डिफरेंस पुनुमकसे लोइनमक काउथोकांदा अखोई यूनाइटेडली लेपकांदा थेंगनरगदी अखोइने याम लाइना सक्सेस ओइबा ngamni खल्ली अखोई मसेन खन्नबा खोनबा मोइगी जाति दसु मी सिबा यावरिबनी युमै चाकबा यावरिबनी मयाम अम तौरिबनेबा दुबु मोइ खन्नै हाइबे पाउ तेमता ताते अखोइगी ददि एनी डिफरेंस अमा लैकानदसु अखोइदसु कौबिरागा MLA दो तुंग तो लाउ मिनिस्टर तुंग तो अखोइ नोइना तक पेनदबसि लै नत्रगा अखोइ लाके लैरमु हाइरगा लोइ वरि साबा याबा ngakतने अदुगी महुत्ता अखोइदा ngarang छन्टोमिबा पाउदु हाइदि मयामनदि मोइ अखोइगी येंगनबसिंसिदा तुकेमतिक पेनद्रमनिना मोइगी मिचंग संगे हेक पाउताबदा अमा खंगदे हाटकेनबुदि खनबा मदुगी नुंगाइतबि सेंटिमेंटबुदि अखोइसु अंडरस्टैंड तौजे.
On the other hand, Amarapaibi named Sorokhaibam Ongbi Gita Devi, Secretary of Mother Association, Kurai Tinsit Road, has strongly condemned the act of Sabungkok Marapaibi, who has brutally assaulted her in the pretext of an informer. She said this during a press meet held in Manipur Press Club today. She further said she has been working for the welfare of displaced people since the violence occurred in the state. If she was not saved by Minister Sushindro yesterday, she will be no more, she added. She appealed to the people of Manipur that never trust in rumor. She had no guilt in yesterday's incident without knowing the fact and figure never tried to point finger to innocent people. It may create many unfortunate incidents.
Sidi I this from my game me with Banina I say this with the gate cried in Panbaneva. Aduna I am an I said don't hang whenever some sites that then a Kangmanina I give me the had it Pagadra and Aduma the high rivers mine I just the image the Yumpanbani company I Aduma the high rate. I do hire Matu my am doing high CNN as I get with the end of later. Higher Pangangs in Yaweba. I do you Kari command the rain of Hangde. Mayamze to umzalaga mi kharana bude khose club kumbamda di kuselle club to mayam mob se peke no to ngamdreba ngamdreba thong to gar payawi I want to know my name payawi adegi actor aroi bidani sida is I gi live attempt to go moy to khori is mine mel kuni moy us mine kol I is the busidra di is the isor is the problem ko adegi ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯖꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯨꯞꯊꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯨꯖꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯛꯁꯤꯗꯒ ꯁꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯥꯡꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯆꯦꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯩꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯈꯪ ꯈꯪꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯏꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯒꯇꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯅꯪꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯝꯐꯧ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯞꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣꯕ.
On the other hand, a member of the association Ngangom Ongbi Ibemcha Devi, who also present at the press club, condemned the act of Sabungkhog Merapaibi in the strongest term. Gita is working hard and soul for the displaced people, terming her as an informer is very unfortunate. The Merapaibis of Sabungkhog should clarify on it at the earliest, she said.
Merapaibi haina thoise masige wahanto khangna Merapaibi singsna thabak tawminaseba Lebaki isu Saurabasida Tangminas Haragati, Masigumba crisis as a Tohangum Jaba. I queen a Mara Pai Toys, a Kuta Mara Paiga, a hing, Zaway Zata Torga, to meet Kang Marata, Isa Ipura, Imungi, members in the Tado Magani, I queen a Mara Pai in the Toys. Masiga Artesicari no sin. I will never knock to even number one. Number two Carino, I give a Wakalo and a Ponga Saris. Number two the Carino. I get horror, Isa is choosing Zen. I quite Zati Lan or Gidori is asking Hapassian Bania. Number three, the Carino. I quite Nupi or Bissing Ziggy is a say, I quite a Nanga Tambasina. Mapam the Geprazasing, do not get us in the P1 Ubida Brasin. Mapam the Toridon, Nupina Nupi is at Mangan Baniha. Adona, Mapam the Geprazasing, Numit, Humni Manunga, Gitagi Mananga, Yam, Tuna Sindopi Academy, Amadi Mara Pavi, Mother Association, Tuna Sindopi Academy, Magi, Maran, Lena Traga Late Habse. Kariguma Mara Leram the Bataragadi, Makwagi Mataka, Logi Waiba, Gatsin Lokakan have said, Mara Pavi Mother Association, Amato Waiba, Warrior.
BJP MLA of Lamsang Assembly Constituency, Salam Rajan, has accused Assam Rifles of taking side with Kuki militants. Interacting with media persons during his visit to Karong village in Lamsang Assembly Constituency on Friday, the MLA contended that there were multiple instances of the Assam Rifles firing shots towards the Meitei village defense volunteers as the latter restored retaliatory firing to stave off attack by Kuki militants. The last rites of 9 martyrs who sacrificed for their motherland was held at Oksu, Imphal and many other places. In Oksu in Imphal in the presence of tens and thousands of people took part and performed the last rites. Floral tributes were paid to the photographs of led martyrs. Moreover, women folk of Singzamai also performed the last rites at Singzamai Kaitil. Floral tributes were paid to the photographs of late 9 martyrs. Talking to ELITETV News, a mother who are taking part in the last rites expressed her dissatisfactions over both the state and central governments.
Botki matam dadi Manipur da khuji asa wasang oriba phamnai ba oriba makoi singa si how jongi Manipur da chiyaw na waraba asi anato aba macha masu kainaraba macha mawa kainaraba sagadara saroidara khangdraba maran mathum punamak on Kraba, Asiba with a Kari Lake, Haidana, Manipur, the Ladiba, as a wasang Singina, Tumina Pamdana, Magi, Mapam dog, Wandana Lay, Howjik Power, Yanta the Habi, Sigimatakamo, Barotki Prime Minister, Haita Hairake, Aduna Modi Haiba, Ataubado, karino tauri basibo laibak asibo haibada no ma phawa yang birakte achauba state ta already ngasi mana hanna yang dri basumaina atai do already ma yang hidra sige sanu nage ne sanu apik pa laibak ni haidana usit thawoi da mali aduga yamna hangjaning ba mana bota dia jam kanna tawraga hojik thawoi dri base akoi india natra baba Manipur se India ki state ama oitra bra haiba adu ki question do hangi
Churachandpur District Administration has continued extending relief materials to displaced people who are sheltered at different relief centers here. There are 105 relief centers in the district. These relief centers are managed by various philanthropic organizations. The district administration provided food, water and health and sanitation facilities to the inmates through the philanthropic organizations. Medicines and medical services were provided through Chief Medical Officer, while drinking water and sanitations are provided through PHED. Yesterday, the district administration distributed 632 rice bags, 108 bags of potatoes, 100 bags of dal, 98 bags of mutter, 78 bags of onion, 30 bags of pumpkin, 100 bags of chili, 127 tins of edible oil, 690 numbers of sanitary pads, 690 pieces of diapers, 196 packets of Nestogent and 240 mosquito repellent coils. These materials were handed over to philanthropic organizations who are managing the relief camps. Apart from providing relief materials to the displaced people at relief centers, the district administration has left nothing to changes to ensure uninterrupted supply of basic needs to the public, particularly rice. Towards this end, the district administration has opened 3 points for sale of OMSS rice for the public. The sales points are at Mini Secretariat Complex, Tuibong, ADCC Town Office, Yamtam Lamka and Lamka South BDO Office, Komintang. Rice is being sold at Rs 32 per kg and 5 kg per head per day. Till date, 7,490 kgs of rice were sold to the public through OMSS. Besides, district officials such as Deputy Commissioner Darun Kumar S, IAS, District Nodal Officer Relief Camp, Manumching IAS, Cluster Officers, Assistant Cluster Officers, SDOs also visited various relief camps since the past few days as a trust building measures. The officials also dined together with the inmates. Besides, the district administration handed over sports and recreational items to children at various relief centers. As the law and order situation has been improved gradually in Nepal and the West, curfew has been extended 6 p.m. today, whereas Bishnupur district remains at 5 p.m. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the 3 districts. People rushed to the market and the shops to buy essential items during curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loy na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak nga simaglengsin biraw Diabetes Hospital, Jenims Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognize tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hauzare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akupa morog dama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba si lowiu.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Lana Thoram Malem Taibang Panasida, Ekoi Kwagi Irakta Tinjaramba, Laishram Bankim Chandra, Atopamaming, Abung, Mathaina, Maginung Sijaraba, Imumanong Sagainatai, Amadi, Maruk Mapang Kwai Pumna Mapu Tadok Lamlaga. Haukiba Chaychet Tara Hundoi Tataru, Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi. Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leba Pokonumita, Kamen Loki, Aigezang Kunda Tokiba Laibaktiba Taudokta, Taibang Chingja Loireduna, Tengban Bamapugi Lekolda, Lerang Linam Una, Tinkre. Lakliba Chaychet Taramapan Tataru, Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi. Kumja Ingengi Nongmapanba Ningtauka Banumita, Mangani Lehuntam Jaraga. Lakliba Chaychet Kungamanga Tataru Kumja Lising Aniga Kunba Hundoi. Kumja Ingen Gitaret Nipan Manomizing Numita Lana Thorom Tokle. Numit Asida Leki Drabagi Tawaina, Tingban Mamapugi Lekolda Ing Chikna Lejarunaba, Angamba Karadang Langjaduna, Taibang Mapugi Ngaklo Kada, Sidaba Mapugi Ming Kairol Galunina, Katjagadori. Thoromasida Ahan Laman Ima Iben Maruk Mapang Amadi Iche Ichal CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Ima Loop Sing Pumnamakna Matam Chana Lingbidaktuna Sidaba Mapugi Ming Kairol Tambiranaba Elite TV Gi Khotangda Pauzenjari Lana Thoramasi Imungi Pibam Namaram Oiduna Imung Manong Neta Club Amadi Khulon Ironaba Laikai Sing CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi, Lamdam Sigi Imalup Singalunina Pangtuk Jaragani. Pauzenjariba, Imung Manung Amadi, Neta. Thorom Mafam, Kangla Sangom Sang Awang Lekai Community Hall, Imphal East. Phone number 7005 259973 Amadi 9366 576106.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. A one-day blood donation organized by Kongpal Social Development Organization cum Youth Center Kongpal Mayay Lekai was held at the blood bank of Jenims. Altogether, 25 persons donated blood in the camp. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of the organization, Naurim Dines, said that the main objective of organizing the blood camp is to do something for the present violence in Manipur, where many people have been injured by violence. Blood cannot be manufactured. It is the elixir of life. The blood donation is being held from the past and will continue in the future too, he added.
si yung nawaran na ba wana yam taraba matam sida kari gum mamateng han tegi su tawrga laksari edu lekai jiki wena khoi volunteer sing sida gi e je ana hospital ji te e gp je have je khoina kanna lepna ba matunda masina chokba mateng mo oi aso ipali ba mayam dur mateng mo oiner ba haiduna khoina ep je na lepna sabni do khoi ngasi ep do je mi kun ga manga mu ni punna ado khoi kun manga mu se kharju la ga leiri haina takpi re hosi kun manga mu se pirani duga kun manga jina kare kare no drakha le ba hospital ji lakpa i drakha le ba ram ji ga mari linana like ba mi da khudung sa ba oin ni haina khoina smai to in stop sabni
Nongchup Imphal Palem Ima Punbalop Nimpal today states a sit-in protest at Kaisamthong Imjau Larimbi Community Hall at Kashampad Junction. Many placards with different slogans were displayed by the protesters. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of the Lob Soraisam Santilaima said at this critical juncture, Prime Minister as well as Home Minister neglecting the issue of Manipur is very unfortunate and highly condemnable.
Relief came like the Mayu might have to pick about Masamawa Kainaba, cookies in a hatok piraba, Adiki Masa Kainaba, Kainaba, Masak Mayama, Relief came the Kangiba, Adi Ban Plaket of Wiriba, Kadagano, Hingato Ribasibo, Yam Tina Pente, Modigis Gorman, okay Pente, Aduga, Magi Mankibat, all in the area doing Panda, all in the area doing Panda, Mankibat, and Doibase, all in the area doing Panda, Mankibat, and Doibase, all in the area doing Panda, Mankibat, and Doibase. Talk about it, Magi was quite turning there. Aduga, Delhi, the all political party, India, conference, Pamni has a career result. Mana foreign the Satan Laga home Puriba Amisahazi Manipura Lame, Mana Solution of the Porpangam de 10 days Lakani Habitama Late. At the Yam Saba Indiagi Home Minister Amana, Adukiano Oi the Bangase, Karimarangido, a quite pende Amisahase, a quite pende Asumaya Togodapanate, Indiagi Home Pipe Target, the Exobalagame, Home Harvest the Exoban, Home Yata Kandabra. Why the Exobalagame active service to them? Madukari Kande. Aduka Bananga Sikari solution for Katino Manipur Ingadaba. Cooking is so Kudakala Tokadami. Cooking Suze Tamimakai, Manipur Santi Leroy.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai during his visit to the US. PM Modi invited Pichai to explore further avenues of collaborations in AI, fintech, cybersecurity as well as mobile device manufacturing in India. Meanwhile, Pichai praised PM's vision for Digital India and said it was way ahead of its time. United States Vice President Kamala Harris, who hosted a luncheon in PM Narendra Modi's honor, said in an address that India is a very important part of our life. She recalled her mother Shyamala Gopalan took her and her sister Maya to India when they were kids. She said the conversations she had with her grandfather influenced her thinking. Thousands of pilgrims arrive in the Mecca ahead of start of the Hajj next week. The Independent has shared a video wherein the devotees were seen gathered at the Grand Mosque for the Friday prayer. According to Hajj Minister Tawfiq Al-Rabia, over 2 million pilgrims from over 160 countries will gather in the holy city of Mecca for the pilgrimage. By 2050, around 1.3 billion people, 13.4% of the global populations, will have diabetes, twice the 2021 figure of 529 million, a Lancet study stated. It indicated that no country is likely to witness a decrease in age-standardized diabetes rates in the next 3 decades. Despite increased awareness, diabetes is exponentially growing and outpacing most diseases globally, the paper stated. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College gi na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum. Quality education bu pamjaba mairoi Mama Mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan biho sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ke Lakatori Session 2023-24 ke admission Hausare Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized Tauraba amati 5-year service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass Tauraba Mahairoi Singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da sangningba singna mingchan biba yaragani male and female punna apply toba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience later trainer singna train tauriba 100+ students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course sing khudong chaba leijari course sing atudi international air hostess training airport operation and staff training ground handling loina na soft skill career counseling interview skill spoken english and hindi grooming guest lecturer session resume making mock interview service classes first aid interview preparation zumba class swimming class amati airport visits institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag imphal amati atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpituna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbituna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achungba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdona angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oiraknaba hona duna ngasi fawbalak Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambel amada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. Now the news in detail. Marabhaibis of United Club Organization and Kaisamthong Assembly Constituency Ward Number 9 today staged a sit-in protest at Kaishampad Laimajam Laikai Community Hall today. Many placards with different slogans were displayed by the protesters. Speaking to media person, Secretary of the Marabhaibi Lup Thokchom Chandra Sakhi said many houses have been burned down by the Kuki militants and more than 60,000 people have been displaced. However, the present state and the central government are doing nothing. They are remain as silent spectators. On the other hand, the central forces sending by the central government are also doing nothing for the people of Manipur, instead extending help to Kuki militants. If the situation remains as it is, the Marabhaibis will take up many forms of agitation, she added.
Hangmang blockade hangmang amoy dori banoba mantri singi bayung ngangna nabagi damaktra ngarang nahan Delhi da makoy miam chale kari manang ginoba makoy phammon na ba man bagi mawangda amana ni pani hay amana mapani hay kari gi damakta memorandum tonghan pisan binoba puro pulap punchalaga akan basakti da winga magi makada ama khatang pisan biba kari tawbageba mi tarana pirapa oira di paning ngaroi center government asu ama khatangi apun ba kholaw amana chap chaba phirep ama lepaga kholaw du lawmina ru ragadi kari gi taroi dr no center government na ngamdraga na makhoi hayo India government India government akoi state government bu nungsi da batadi akoi achumba akoi chapchana akoi gi state ta leriba makoi na akoi gi state asibu ngakchagani nakoi gi post mayam hando khoroina thidan tawna kari gi ngamde makoi kari power laitageba kari shakti lait adu ngamda tardi kari gi makoi phambai dana lege tori binoba makoi na akoi na pami makoi ba akoi gi hak chine makoi da khoi sina gi koi manipur kan na bgai damata akoi gi hak ching do kadai da thambi karageba Cai manga khatani makoi na paige do phamuna birga no chengna chalaga Delhi da makoi pulap punchalaga amata kholau lau biwo aseng ba khoi gi Manipur gi saktam da kai da bohan biwo aduga taseng na Manipur asida leiri base maitai khatana te phurup kaya na jati kaya na pullaga tamina bani hauji lan choklai base lamun magini migi mayu munna bagini adoi tadi mulliba mado akoi lehauri ba phurup mayam che punchalaga khongpam mamata da leminaraga akoi lan kan mina se haiba wafam che akoi
Just submitting memorandum to Prime Minister and Home Minister will not bring any solution to the present crisis of Manipur. This was stated by the National General Secretary of RPI Atwale Mahesh Thaunawjam on a television interview yesterday. He further said he come to Delhi to all the national leaders of the party and other ministers to explain what exactly happened in Manipur in detail. He also explained to the channel what exactly watched by the people of Manipuri in detail.
मतलब इसके लिए we just want to clarify, we want to just meet to all the leaders of our country, ठीक है, वो लोग जानते हैं या नहीं, we just want to know, because मणिपुर का इतना इशू बड़ा हो गया, लोग मर रहे हैं, 100 से ऊपर लोग मर रहे हैं, वो we just want to know that they know the facts or not, क्योंकि सिर्फ एक मेमोरेंडम देने से नहीं होगा, मेमोरेंडम देने वो पड़ेगा नहीं पड़ेगा, हम लोग को कुछ मालूम नहीं है, so we have to meet the direct person, direct personality, and we have to know कि मणिपुर का जो अभी हो रहा है आपको मालूम है तो अभी तक सोल्व क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा है, इसका क्या रीजन है बिहाइंड, तो वो लोग कुकी मिलिटेंट्स क्या चाहता है, एक सेपरेट स्टेट चाहता है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चाहता है, क्योंकि वो लोग का कुकी लैंड एक फॉर्म करे और पॉपी कल्टीवेशन का ड्रग का बिजनेस शुरू हो और उसके साथ अच्छी तरह से वो बिजनेस कर पाए, वो उससे इंडिया बर्बाद हो जाए. वी आर नॉट सेइंग दैट इन मेरे स्टेटमेंट में भी और कोई स्टेटमेंट में आप कोई भी मैत्री स्टेटमेंट में भी आप देखा नहीं होगा कि गो बैक कुकीज लिखा है, कभी लिखा है गो बैक कुकी टू म्यांमार, कुछ लिखा है नहीं. वो लोग क्या बोल रहा है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आपके घर को तोड़ो बोल रहा है. हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, शू मिलिटेंट्स का एग्रीमेंट को खारिज करो, इसका मतलब बंदूक वाले अपना बंदूक को रखो बोल रहे हैं.
Former US President Barack Obama, talking with the death of immigrants after the boat carrying them capsized off the Greek coast recently, said, "Think about the circumstances which lead desperate people to come here." Referring to the missing Titan submersible, Obama added, "The fact that submersible missing incident got so much more attention than 700 people who sank." Elon Musk-led SpaceX on Friday launched 56 Starlink internet satellites to low Earth orbit from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The launch came a day after the company launched 47 Starlink satellites from Vandenberg Space Force base in California. The company has launched more than 4,500 Starlink satellites so far, of which about 4,200 are operational. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister El Sushindro's Godown burned down by mob. Yesterday's incident was very unfortunate, a big communication gap, says Minister Sushindro. BJP MLA S. Rajan accused Assam Rifles of adding Kuki militants. The last rites of 9 martyrs of Kaminlok incident held. And the curfew relaxed for Imphal East in the West till 6 p.m. today, Bishnupur District 5 p.m. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.